Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about the integration logs in the Salesforce integration configuration. Alright, so let's get straight to it. We have a demo project here, and if I'll click the project settings and head over to the Salesforce tab, and we have this guy right here, integration logs. Now, we will go over the functions you have on the screen. Let's just understand what it shows you. So it will show you all the integration between your site and Salesforce for this project, for this website. So for instance, we see a couple of things here. We see a lead create, we see a case create, and another case create. And whenever you create something, you will have an ID of the record created, and once you click it, you'll be able to it will direct you directly to Salesforce to view that record. And you can hit refresh. So whenever you leave this open, you want to see the latest stuff, you just hit refresh, and it will show you the latest integration log. Another thing you can do is you can select a filter. So you can filter something just by error or success or a warning. So that will show you the appropriate logs for that. But we don't have warnings or errors here, so we have just successes, and that's what we see. If you click on the notification settings, it will take you to the push logs of Titan environment, your environment, and then you can select email me errors and send errors to additional emails, and you can select filters, etc. So you will get notifications of every error you get. You can get them via email as well. Alright, so let's see this guy in action. Let me just publish this project here. So we're going to launch the site. And we have a lead creation form, and we can create a case from a different page as well. So let's try generate an error. So we know that lead in my environment, the company is required, so I'm just going to leave it out. Obviously, you can make it required on the UI as well. I just left it like that so we can generate an error. And let's put some mobile phone number, and I'll select an email. And let's select a product and something for more. I'll hit save. And if I'll go back, and obviously you can pop up the message to the user directly in case of an error, but in this instance I just left it as it is. If I'll go to the integration log, I can see an error about the lead create. So it's telling me that the required field is missing, and the company was missing just like we thought. So if I'll head back to the published site and put a company in, and again, this is just silly, the company should be required on the UI as well, and obviously it's something you can configure with Titan. We'll do blah blah, and I'll hit save, and I'll go back to the integration logs and refresh. We will see a success for the lead, and obviously if you click the ID, it will take you to Salesforce. And now we can test the filter. Let's say error, and we get just the errors, and you have the date of when it occurred, the method that ran, and the message. So the message is very, very informative. Whenever it's a Salesforce error, you can directly see what went wrong. And this is how it's done.